First off, I like to start off by drawing wherever I want the longest lashes to be first. So I'll do my 11s through here. I'll go over with my 10s on each side. Finishing off with 9s, 8 and 7. So let's draw in these numbers. 10, 9, 8 and 7, 10, 9, 8. So let's head over to the other side. We'll start off with our 11 so it's nice and even. Here we have about 1 centimetre worth of 11s. We'll draw on our 10s, our 9s, and our 8s and 7s. So I like to draw in the numbers, that way I don't have to try and remember which area is for which size. If you need to swap curls, you can even just draw another line through here. Put 11 there as well, so if we're doing C and CC.